Alright, so here's my Volvo S80, and as you can see it does not have any tint on the rear. And in the summer here, because it is summer here right now, it's gonna get hot in the car, even with the AC on. So we are going to install the Volvo factory sunshades that pop in the rear doors, or in the rear door windows. So let's take them out of the box and see how they fit. So here you can see the Volvo part number if you want to order something similar. These are for the rear doors. There is also one that goes into the rear window. I might pick that up if I like these, but I wanted to check these out first, so let's take them out. So they come in this nice bag. And apparently there are no instructions included, so let's hope this will be self-explanatory. It says inside here, so this one should go on the other side, yes. And I think we need to find some instructions online so I do this properly. The clips can go like anywhere around here, so 1 second. Okay, so I checked the instructions online, and you need to roll down the windows first. So there are two kinds of clips. You can see they are a bit different there. So this L-shaped clip should go down here. You take your plastic pry tool to not damage your interior. Pry this outward. So to get it to stick properly, you need to move it down further down. You will feel when it hits a spot where it will stay. So there you go. Let's install the ones on top. They should be around here, here, and over here. Then take the other shaped clips. These look like small V's, and these should be installed, yeah, on this plastic rim here. So you need to pry that down a bit. Honestly, you will need a plastic tool or you will scratch the paint. Like so. So let's mount the shade with the inside, yeah, towards the inside of the car. You go ahead and place it over here first, and then over here. I guess you should push it in. That's not good instructions, Volvo. I'd go in there first and then over. Like that. Let's see if we can get them into the clips. sorry Volvo, I don't give your instructions a very good rating. They're not like IKEA. But they are in place, and I think it fits really nicely. I'm guessing it rests on this plastic part here while being clipped in here and over there. Feels quite secure. You should be able to drive, I think it was up to 90 kilometers per hour with the windows down and these installed. Okay, so everything that's left for me to do now is to install the other side. So I found something strange here, because I've installed it like the instructions say, over here, and this one over here. But, I mean, this is kind of the worst part of the window where you can catch air when you drive. I think I'm gonna relocate the clips a bit. I mean, there's really no need for there to be a clip all the way down here, and just so let's move this clip over here, and I'm gonna move this one up here because the window is protecting it on the bottom side. So right, how does this feel? I mean, from the outside it feels a lot more secure. Okay, it's pretty far between these two clips, but I think that's okay. I mean, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that, and I will surely report back if they fall out. So I did roll up the window, and you can see here how the mesh creates this kind of pattern here, so it's working. And it's hard to tell when the sun is just shining right through it, but there's a significant difference here in the back. It's darker, which is the point. So let me show you from the outside. I mean, it will not be like a proper tint, but it's significantly darker, but you can still see items inside of there if you want to, but it is a lot harder to do so. So I'm overall happy with the result. They are a bit pricey at like $110, something like that. But if you don't want to tint your windows and you want something that you can remove easily but still have some kind of shade in the car, I think these are great. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed how to install the sunshades on the Volvo S80. It was a bit fiddly with the instructions, and sorry for that. I've never done this before, but we got it in there in the end, and I think it went well.